The last place I arrived in Theresienstadt, and I was there for a few days, and I heard a lot of noise going on in the morning, and we run outside, and we see the Russian army came in, and they liberated us. And they used to throw down this the chazrai, the speck, the grease, and of course I wasn't able to catch because there was always somebody stronger and bigger than I am. So thank God for that, because most of those people that ate all that fat, and they didn't eat for 5-6 years, because the food that we used to get in the camps was horse meat, was from soup from the horse meat, and of course we didn't get even the horse meat to eat, just the soup, watery soup. So after when the Russian army came in, we all ran in different directions, and everybody was looking for food. And I was walking one side of the street, and I noticed my younger brother walking in the opposite side of the street. And if that was not a miracle at the time, I don't know what is. And I recognized him, and from that time we stayed together in Theresienstadt until we left from Prague airport to England.